Hello guys, welcome. Today we will see the Python variables. Should we know what are variables? Variables are memory location in a program. Okay, when you use any particular type of value in a program, then there is a need of variable. So step by step we will understand what are variables. So step number 1. Variables are nothing but reserved memory location to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. Okay, when you create in a particular type of variable in Python, we cannot specify a type of variable. When you assign value at that time, variable automatically convert into that kind of variable. Okay, in other languages like C++, Java, there is a concept of data type like int, float, char, double. Firstly we have to declare variable, then we assign the value. But in Python there is no such concept. We can directly assign the value. Okay, step number 2. Variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. As I told you, when you assign any kind of value, at that moment, okay, variable is created. For an example, as you can see, x equal to 55. It simply means x is an integer kind of variable because we have assigned integer value. Now y equal to Rakesh, it simply means Rakesh is a string kind of variable. Both x and y, if we see, there is no data type, but according to their value they both are different. X is integer because x has integer kind of value, y is string because y has string kind of value. Suppose you want to print, then print x means 55 and y means star case. So in this way we can assign value in integer. Step number 3. Variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. What is the meaning of this? It simply means we do not need to declare them, just like we don't have to write the type of particular variable, like yes, like we did in our C++ program. There is no need to write int, float, char, double type of data type. You can directly write value, just like example, x equal to 4, x equal to 44 simply means x is a type of int. If we have written x equal to Tata, now we are overwritten value x equal to Tata. Now x has become which type? String type. In both the cases, no need to change the type. It simply automatically convert into value type. Suppose you have entered integer, now x is integer type. Suppose you have inserted data, it means it has become string type. So according to value, the variable converted into that kind of data type. Now step number 4. String variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Suppose you want to declare a string variable, then like x equal to double quotation Hari Om. So in this way you can write string variable. You can write single quotation also, it depends on you. Step number 5. Multiple assignment. Suppose you want to assign same kind of value in more than one variable, then you can write this way: a equal to b equal to c equal to d equal to 10, or x equal to y equal to z equal to 10. It depends on you how many variable you want to use. Step number 6. Python list. Suppose you want to use more than one values in your program. For that we have a concept of list. List is similar to array, but in list we can use different kind of values. Like in array we use same kind of values. Suppose we want to use integer array, then there is a only integer value you can assign, but in list you can assign every kind of value. Like here we have taken list abd is character string, 76 is an integer, 2.3 is a float. Okay, John is again string, 7.2 is a float. So in this way we can use every kind of value in list. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of list. Step number 7. Python tuples. You can use tuple also. Tuple is very similar to list, but instead of square bracket we use parenthesis. And one more difference in this: you cannot change the size and value of tuple. While we talk about list, then you can change list value and size also. This is the difference. Now suppose you can see tuple acd is a string, 76 number, 2.3 float, and suppose you want to change, then you cannot change the value of this tuple. Okay, this is the only difference between tuple and list. Step number 8. Python dictionary. Suppose you want to use the key value concept. like Perl and other kind of languages use this concept. Then you can use key value format also, just like we have taken dict and name we have assigned John, code we have assigned 674, department we have assigned cell. So here key value format, key is name, value is John, key is code, value is 674, key is department, value is cell. So in this way key value format we can assign values. To fetch this value we use two kind of function, key function and value function. Key function fetch the keys and value function fetch the values. Suppose you want to fetch keys, then you can write print dict dot keys, so it will print the key values, key only, okay, not values. Now suppose you want to print values, then you can write print dict dot values. So in this way you can fetch. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of variable in Python. If you have any kind of doubt, you can write into comment box. Thank you for watching.